Let's talk about the humble onion, the foundation of meals worldwide. It's the flavor base, the main ingredient, the garnish, always there, rarely noticed. Onions add depth and character to our food, and most of us barely give them a second thought. But onions aren't just about taste. They're packed with vitamins and antioxidants, quietly supporting our health. Their journey starts long before they hit your cutting board. Growing onions is tough work, demanding patience, sweat, and a deep understanding of the land. Farmers battle weather, pests, and weeds, all for a crop that's both science and art. Next time you tear up dicing an onion, remember it began as a tiny seed, nurtured by hardworking hands, and traveled far to reach your kitchen. It's a story of grit and perseverance rooted in the earth. Behind every onion is a tale of hard work and dedication. So let's dig in and see how this unsung hero makes its way from field to plate, because every onion has a story worth telling. You can't just plant onions anywhere and expect success. Onions are picky. They want a cool start to grow their green tops, then warmth to swell the bulb. More leaves mean more rings and a bigger, better onion. It's a two-act play cool spring, then hot summer. The soil matters just as much. Onions hate heavy clay. They thrive in sandy loam, light, well-drained, and rich in nutrients. The right soil lets roots breathe and bulbs expand. Fertility is key. The ground must be packed with nutrients, like a well-stocked pantry. Even the pH has to be just right, not too acidic, not too alkaline. Getting these conditions right is the foundation for a successful crop. Without the perfect stage, the show can't go on. Every great onion starts with the right home. That's the first step in the journey. Before planting, the field needs serious prep. It starts with plowing, turning and aerating the soil so roots can spread. Then comes harrowing, breaking clumps into a fine, level seed bed. A flat field means even water and fair growth for every plant. Onions are heavy feeders, so farmers enrich the soil with compost or manure, black gold for the crop. This boosts nutrients and improves soil structure. After mixing in the organic matter, farmers may test the soil and add any missing nutrients. By the end, the field is transformed, no longer just dirt, but a rich nursery ready for onions. Every step is about giving onions the best possible start. The groundwork is set for a healthy harvest. Now, it's time for seeds. Not all onion seeds are the same. Farmers pick varieties suited to their climate and day length. Many start seeds in nurseries, protected greenhouses or beds, where conditions are perfect for sprouting. Here, seeds get warmth, water, and safety from pests and weeds. After 6 to 8 weeks, seedlings are ready for the field. Transplanting is delicate work, roots must stay intact. Workers, often on hands and knees, plant each seedling at the right depth and spacing. Onions need space. Crowding means smaller bulbs. Proper spacing lets each plant reach its full potential. Row by row, the field fills with young onions. It's slow, careful work, but it sets the stage for a strong crop. Every seedling is a future onion ready to face the elements. The real growing begins now. Once planted, onions need constant care. Think of them as hungry, thirsty teenagers. Their shallow roots mean they rely on regular, precise irrigation. Too little water and bulbs won't grow, too much and roots rot. Farmers use furrow or drip irrigation to deliver just the right amount. Onions also need steady nutrition. Initial compost helps, but mid-season top dressing with fertilizer is crucial. Timing is everything. Fertilize too early or late and you risk poor growth. Farmers monitor plants and soil, adjusting water and nutrients as needed. It's a balancing act, part science, part intuition. The goal: healthy, robust onions, ready for harvest. Every drop and every handful of fertilizer counts. The farmer is both chef and caretaker. Growing onions isn't just about nurturing, it's about defense. Weeds are relentless, stealing water, nutrients, and sunlight. Onions' upright leaves leave the soil exposed, making weed control a constant battle. Early on, workers hand weed or use special tools to protect young plants. Beyond weeds, pests like onion maggots and thrips threaten the crop. Farmers scout fields constantly, catching problems early. Many use integrated pest management, releasing beneficial insects, using traps, or planting decoys. Chemicals are a last resort, used sparingly and precisely. It's about working with nature, not against it. Every weed pulled and pest managed protects the harvest. Vigilance is key. One missed threat can ruin a season. The fight for a healthy crop never stops. After months of care, onions signal when they're ready. The bulb swells at the base, pushing soil aside. The green tops soften, yellow, and flop over. a process called lodging. This is the plant's way of saying, I'm done. When most tops have fallen, it's nearly harvest time. Farmers stop watering, encouraging the bulb to form a dry, papery skin. This skin protects the onion during storage. Farmers check sample bulbs for size, firmness, and skin texture. The right signs mean the waiting is over. Timing is everything. Harvest too soon or too late and quality suffers. The field is ready for the big pull. Months of work come down to this moment. The harvest begins. Harvest transforms the field into a hive of activity. On small farms, onions are pulled by hand. On big farms, machines do the heavy lifting. The goal: get onions out gently, minimizing damage. Next comes curing. Onions dry in the sun for days, toughening their skins. Proper curing is vital for long storage. Once dry, onions are gathered and tops and roots are trimmed. In the packing shed, onions are sorted by size and quality. Damaged or diseased bulbs are removed. The best onions are packed for shipment. Each step ensures only the finest reach your table. From field to crate, care is constant. The journey isn't over yet. The humble onion's journey is remarkable. From perfect soil and careful planting to months of tending, every step matters. Farmers nurture, defend, and wait, then harvest and cure with precision. Each onion is a testament to patience and hard work. The next time you slice one, remember the journey from field to plate. It's a cycle of knowledge, grit, and respect for the land. Every onion tells a story of dedication. It's a simple food, but its story is anything but. From dusty field to dinner plate, it's a job worth doing, and that's the story behind every onion you eat.